Are your solar lights dimming or not lasting through the night? The solution might be as simple as swapping in better batteries. Today, we're reviewing the Yibatopow 16-pack of 1.2-volt Ni-mH rechargeable AA batteries with 800 mAh capacity. These AA batteries are pre-charged and designed specifically for outdoor solar lights, including solar lamp posts, lawn lamps, string lights, and pathway lights. Let's dive into the features. First, the size is standard AA, 0.55 by 1.97 inches. The pack gives you 16 batteries, so you can replace multiple lights at once. They are Ni-mH, nickel metal hydride, and are free of mercury, cadmium, and lead, making them environmentally friendly. One standout feature is reusability. These batteries can be recharged up to 1,200 times. That means one pack can replace over 2,100 alkaline batteries, saving you a lot of money in the long run. They are pre-charged, so you can use them right out of the box. These batteries perform well in extreme temperatures. They work from -4 degrees Celsius to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, so whether you're in a snowy winter or scorching summer, your solar lights will keep running. They can even charge from the sun in snowy conditions. Charging is easy. You can recharge them inside your solar lights using the built-in solar panel, or you can use a standard charger for faster charging, especially in low sunlight. These batteries are widely used. Beyond solar lights, they work in toy cars, battery string lights, wireless mice, TV remotes, nose hair trimmers, torches, portable audio players, game controllers, and DIY equipment. One important note, always install them with the correct polarity. Do not short-circuit the terminals. In my testing, these batteries performed admirably. I installed them in a set of solar pathway lights that had been giving me trouble. After swapping, the lights stayed bright for over 6 hours each night, even after cloudy days. The 800 mAh capacity is a good balance for outdoor use, not too high to overcharge small panels, but enough for decent runtime. Compared to other rechargeable batteries, these are specifically optimized for solar lights. Some high-capacity batteries, like 2,000 mAh, can be damaged by trickle charging from solar panels, but these are built for it. If you have multiple solar lights or just want an eco-friendly, cost-effective battery solution, the Yibatopow 16-pack is a solid choice. They are reliable, durable, and easy to use. For the best results, pair them with a solar light that has a good panel and sensor. Thanks for watching.